Pastor Adeboye apologizes for saying non-tithers won't make heaven. In a significant development from one of Africa's largest Christian denominations, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God (RCCG), has publicly renounced his previous statements regarding tithing and salvation. Speaking at the church's ongoing youth convention, Pastor Adeboye, in a display of humility, formally apologizes for his earlier claim that non-tithe payers would not enter heaven. Adeboye clarified that the biblical requirement for heaven focuses on peace with all men and holiness.
I'm going to be apologizing for making a mistake, for saying that if you don't pay tithe, you might not make it to heaven. I'm sorry, that's wrong. That's not in the Bible. What the Bible says is, ye have peace with all men, and holiness, without which no man shall see God.
The renowned religious leader acknowledged that positions can evolve, paralleling scientific understanding. It is possible to be right and wrong at the same time, he explained, comparing it to how scientific views on light propagation have changed over time. However, Adeboye maintained his stance on generous giving, suggesting that the traditional 10% should be considered a starting point rather than a ceiling. He shared an anecdote from his visit to Kenneth E. Hagin's ministry in Tulsa, where he encountered a businessman who had pledged to exceed the combined donation of 17,000 convention attendees. The pastor's renouncement marks a significant shift in his teaching on tithing, a cornerstone of his ministry's financial doctrine for many years. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.